y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my Allure box for August of 2020. Also, we're going to be talking about the changes that Allure Beauty Box is going to be doing starting October 1st, and you guys definitely want to hear the details if you do have the subscription and you haven't heard the news yet, because they are changing up the pricing. It is going up a whole lot more than it is right now, and yeah, you guys will definitely want to hear about that. But first, we will unbox this. So if you guys are enjoying, then please give this video a thumbs up, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal. And if you would, go ahead and subscribe. It would mean so much to me, because I have noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you are already a viewer, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It would literally melt my heart. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I'm so excited. This is actually probably one of my favorite subscription boxes. I do always prefer this over the regular IPSY GLAM bag, which is $12 a month, and this is $15, where you are guaranteed 2 full-size products every month versus IPSY, which is just all samples, and sometimes you get lucky and get a full-size product. So this I've always kind of compared to the regular IPSY GLAM bag. Now I cannot do that anymore starting in October, since the price is going from here to here. I think it might still be worth it, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna continue to get this box. I really don't ever unbox this box on this channel. I did unbox July's box, honestly, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open this. And one thing that I do really appreciate about these boxes is that they're thick cardboard, and I actually use these for storage and organization in my drawers. Hello, I'm already paying for the box. You use the thick cardboard instead of going out there and buying, you know, like stuff from the container store. Just a side thing that I use for the boxes, whatever. Anyways, so we have our little magazine here that tells us about the products inside, and let's go ahead and open it up, and I can show you what I got in here for this month, and then we can get into, oh, I have a repeat item, I think. And then we can get into the new changes for the Allure box. So first thing I see in here is the H2O Hydration Sensitive Gel Cream Moisturizer. I think I did. Oh, yeah. I already have it. I just unbagged this in my IPSY. That's kind of weird. It didn't come with the box though. Hold on, let's see if it's the same. No, it's not the same. In the Allure box, we got the Gel Cream Moisturizer Hydration Sensitive, and then in IPSY, we got the Hydration Oasis Refreshing Gel Moisturizer. So we got 2 different moisturizers. So that is interesting. I'm going to give these to my mother though. I know she will enjoy those. Okay, next up we have from Wish. This is the Botanical Primer with bacterial, I don't know, skin balancing, reduces environmental stress. I actually have a foot cream by this brand. I wonder what this smells like. This is something else that I'll probably just give to my mother. It kind of smells like tea. Is there tea in here? It smells like tea. But anyways, let's move on. We have something from Sol Washu First Care Activating Serum. Here is the packaging. Let's let you focus. Bam. I wonder what this looks like. Oh, this is cute. Just a little serum. Kind of looks like a little shampoo bottle, like an OG shampoo bottle. Anyways, next up, we have something from Floss. This is the Brighten Up Highlighter, which we've gotten things from Floss before. And let's take a little look-see. This is in the shade Sunlit, which looks like a really pretty shade. I'm not gonna swatch it because, like, I know I'm not gonna use it. I'll probably, like, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with it, but yeah. We got that. And then here we have from Erno Lazio, New York, the famous black soap Sea Mud Cleansing Bar, which is kind of weird that we're getting a soap bar in here, but like I'm also here for it, so I'm not gonna complain. Let's see what it smells like. I mean, it smells fine. I don't hate the smell. So yeah, here's a little shampoo bar. I think that's really like different to have in a box. So yeah, I don't know. I'm intrigued to try it. I will definitely throw this in my shower and try it. Next up we have from Pixi. This is the Rose Oil Blend, Rose and Pomegranate Oil. That is exciting to have in here. Yeah, so here you go. You have this. And see what I mean, how this is like such a better value than the regular IPSY Glam bag. Like, look at all this stuff that we're getting. Okay, and then here we have the last thing. It's a face mask, which packaging, 10 out of 10. Look at this little, I think it's a man. I don't know, but they're very pretty. And I like the pink hair. I really don't know what the brand is, but it's a brightening lift up perfect fit mask. So that's exciting. So that's everything we got in the Allure box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products this month, which is fantastic. That's a lot of products to get in here. So yay, they already beat IPSY for sure, especially because they have some really good samples in here. Now, of course, we only have one makeup item, which kind of sucks, and I have been saying like, enough with the skincare, give us more makeup, but you know, whatever. And I do appreciate something different, like a soap bar. Like, I mean, I know some people will be like, what's the point? But like, we also get shower gel, so it's the same thing, and I'm excited to give that a try. And I know my mom's gonna be excited to get some more samples in her collection. So let's talk about this new Allure pricing upgrade. So right now, Allure is at least 2 full-size products in every box. You get 5+ monthly makeup and skincare picks from our editors delivered to your doorstep. So there's a 70+ value and you're only paying $15. So that's what it is right now. 2 full-size products, you get 5+, at least 5, $70 worth of value for $15. So starting October 1st, they're doing away with the $15 box, and it's going to increase to $23, which is $2 under BOXYCHARM and IPSY Plus, which is insane. Which, if you haven't seen the new IPSY Plus quarterly upgrade, go check that video out. I have a link below. It's stupid. Anyways, so the new Allure is going to be at least 6 products each month. So you're guaranteed 1 more item than you would normally, and it's going to be valued at $100+. 3 or more full-sized items in every box, so you're guaranteed 1 more full-sized, but that could also mean you can get more than 3. And then exclusive opportunities to get your favorite luxury and indie brands at member-only prices. And then special offers for our limited edition boxes, which I think the last time we've had a limited edition box was the box that made me sign up for Allure, which was I think the November or December box. And it was all Anastasia Beverly Hills products, which I thought was phenomenal, but it's been almost a year and we haven't had one of those. So that's kind of like, wow, you get a special offer, but it's been a long time since we've had one. And then it says access to members only events with Allure editors and beauty experts. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep the Allure box after this, after like the first time, depending on the products that are coming in here and the spoilers. Maybe since the box, like, I don't do spoilers on the Allure box. I just don't, and I rarely even do the unboxings. It's kind of like a little something that I just appreciate myself and really don't unbox. But if it's gonna be $23, I'm sure if you guys do have Allure, which I know a lot of you guys have signed up with my referral, you guys are gonna wanna know if it's gonna be worth it that next month or if you just wanna cancel, because 23 bucks, that's up there in pricing. Like, that, you'll miss that money, okay? A lot more than $15. That can fill up your gas tank, depending on where you live. And also depending on how much you already have in your tank. But I think maybe we'll start doing spoilers on the Allure box, just so you know, and you don't waste your money the next month. We're probably gonna do it the first time. We'll see how it goes, and if we're interested, we'll keep it. If not, we'll scratch it. And yeah, also I'm very interested in trying new subscription boxes than just makeup, like maybe food, maybe like a witch box, and because I'm into all of that. It might not look like it because I'm like dressed all like cute and I wear like pink lipstick and stuff, but like I have a gothic soul and heart, and I swear to God I'm a witch. I'm just saying. So if you guys know of any other subscription boxes you're interested in me unboxing, then please let me know in the description as well. Not the description, the comment section and let me know your thoughts and opinions on this new Allure beauty box and the price increasing and all of that. Do you think that it might be worth it? I think it would, because we're already getting better brands and better skincare items from brands that is like a lot better than what we're getting from IPSY. And I don't know. I'm just saying. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below if you think that the price increase is going to be worth it. And yeah, if that is it for this video, if you enjoyed, then please give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.